Guys, so today we're gonna be making a video on the new update, back sale. So let's go and check it out. Alright, so this is the April showers stuff. Let's equip all of this first, and then we can get to the rainy day stuff. Alright, equip. Alright, let's go. And, oh, you guys are okay. So first, there's this flag. Sad face, happy face, sad face, happy. Alright. You have this slingshot. Oh, that's scary. That sounds like a creepy piano. Alright, here. Oh, if you shake it? No. Okay. Alright. Oh, a balloon! Okay, this is a balloon. That matches my head. No! Bye, balloon. That matches it matches my head. Next we have the confetti cannon. Alright. Then we have the frog. Alright. Now we have the fork and a knife. Alright, then we have the gold version. Next we have a wrench. Monkey, hold wrench. Monkey likes wrench. Then golden wrench. Monkey also likes golden wrench. Alright, let's just unequip all of this stuff and then go and look at the rainy day flashback. You don't have to equip the big head because I'm already wearing it. How many slots is there? So 4 times 3. Alright, so okay, you have 12 slots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Alright, we'll select the other cosmetics after, because I have to make sure I was right and see if all the slots are filled out. Yeah, alright. First we have the egg. Oh, you can't see it. I'll put on a hat so you can kind of see it. Alright, yeah, you can't see it. Then this is like the rain collar. It's like a rain collar. Pot. Like, can you see the... Oh, that's a good combo because it looks like the egg is coming out of the pot. You guys should try that. This is a plunger. I'm pretty sure there's a YouTuber called Plunger VR and he's mad that everyone's gonna copy him. The next there's the rain hat, but a lot of people call it the Badu hat. There's the cookie jar. Then there's the wings. The tree stump head. Oh, you can kind of see some right there. The rainbow. That's cool.
Hello, people.
Right. We have white clouds.
Lemon.
I'm doing a little game show.
Yellow boots. And then
whoever guesses the right amount of questions can get up to
could you fly? Could you fly? Fly.
Alrighty. We got a crowd here. Dude, contestants, who else wants to join? I'm the profound known as Willy Wonka. I do own a candy factory if you want to know. Let's top dog
that's a
right
clip.
here. Alright. Now, do you want to do teams or split?
We're doing like a talent show or something.
Teams! Alright, choose your teams. Preferably teams of 3.
Oh
Please
yeah,
go down.
I think I've settled on my YouTuber outfit with this
Teams
with
of
that
3, people.
shirt.
I don't have much time.
So yeah,
Me,
it's
me.
this right here.
Me.
Alright,
Alright, so we have this team.
first the cloud
I'll just call
umbrella.
you
Oh,
high
there's a
team.
little dangle rainbow. Then we have the black umbrella. Just all black. When people wish they got this, they have the spider umbrella.
Alright,
The
I'll let you
gold one.
conversate. I think you're trying to come up with
I
nice
would wish
strategies
someone that
to
has
win
an
this
all gold
$800
avatar.
Tiny Rock.
That'd be cool. Yes. And like a beach umbrella.
That's the one and only Willy Wonka.
Oh, that's like their
With my nice
tracks thing.
fancy top hat.
Now we have like the tuxedo. I like to call it the tuxedo. It also looks like the Elvis.
Yeah, like
Okay, now
black.
Indiana Jones. And this is like the golden
Goodbye.
trinket or something.
Willy Wonka, that's right.
Become monkey.
You have the clear mic mod?
Willy Wonka,
The ring
Yeah,
and
do you have that?
Ooh.
I just
Look
saw
at
you
the
fly all the way up
tuxedo.
there.
then the cloud shirt. Alright. I think I'll stick with
Oh,
this
give me a second. I'll be back.
Alrighty. And so I think that is all for this flashback video. I didn't make a flying monkeys video. I don't think I will make one. But you know what? I'll just combine the flying monkeys one into this one for you guys.
Oh no, that's just mods.
Alright. It's just gonna clip everything. And I'll get the flying monkey stuff. I actually don't think I don't know if I've worn everything from the flying monkey set. I've never seen a cosmetic for like 6,000. I've only seen like 5,000. Alright, but let's see. So ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Alcohol radar. Feel the gods. Better hit than I had the cards. Michael Scott is what?
Alright guys, now let's check out these cosmetics. First we have the checkered flag. For this one you don't get a checkered leaf. That's only for like the other one. We have a scarf. They have that in like the flying monkeys. Next we have the badge. Looks pretty clean. Then we have the rainbow umbrella. There's like another rainbow umbrella. So this one has clouds and that one had a little rainbow. Toucan beak. That goes with the toucan outfit. We have a mustache. And the French. Bonjour. Right. We have some cool sunglasses. These all go together. When you jump, yeah, fire comes out. Alright, I'm gonna clip everything. And then we can do the rest. Okay. Wait, are you think he's gonna become a flying bird? Alright, but anyhow, the last lobby I was in, someone was false reporting me. So let's hope I don't get banned for that. Oh, early access guy again. Alright, so this birdhouse hut, what is it supposed to do? No, I'm not food. Oh! The bird just came out. How did I do that? Oh, you put your hand next to the hole. Like, knock, knock, knock. Oh, that's cool. leaf? What is this? Oh, it's a ninja star? Wait, hold on. That's sick. Oh, I'm guessing this is another one. Oh, so that's what it was on the pack. It was a ninja star. I have this cloud here. And then this is the flag where you got the leaf. Alright. So that's where we're going to wrap up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And, yeah. Let's say bye to the video.